Okay, see if I am focused. I think so. Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm just doing an opening video from Beebeecrafts. They notified me, through email like they do, and asked me to pick out a few products and if I would do like 3 videos with them. And I'd be happy to, because I've always ordered from Beebeecraft before too. So I'll just have a coupon code also in my description. So if you purchase anything, none of the proceeds will go to me. I just really like their products. So you want to go and press that link and check them out, you're more than welcome to. So what they ask is for me to just pick out what I'd be interested in. And I picked these. I love them. And you know what? I'm really into birds. My whole front room has birds and nature. So what these are, just little tiny ones. Let me make sure. Zoom in a little. Just a little tiny bit. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Don't look at my fingers. So there they are. They're going to be like that small. Aren't they cute? And I figured you could fill these with all kinds of things. So I figured you can just about do anything with these. Alcohol ink. Oh, even use mica powders. You could make them so pretty. I thought of these that I've been wanting to use, but I always have a hard time remembering the name of these. Also, I think clear would be also pretty. So I'm excited about these. Oh, and gold flakes, maybe? So this is what else I picked. With my job, I like to look pretty with earrings and stuff, but I have a problem with anything that's not real gold or, 925 sterling silver. Yeah, it'll irritate. So I always have to buy these clips. So these are actually from Beebeecraft also, but I got them off of Amazon separate. I bought those. And let's open this. Hope I'm in view this whole time. And I hope everybody's doing really good. I definitely am. I'm so busy playing at home and everything else and working. DIY jewelry making kit. It's gonna be cool. Oh yeah, they're pretty. Oh, that's a cute box. So for other people, they can use these. But I can't use those. Anyway, they got little butterflies we're gonna make together. Isn't that pretty though? That's pretty. Ooh. So there's a whole bunch of pretty ones in here. Ooh, that's pretty too. It's like a glittery blue. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these. So I'm gonna make my own. As long as the posts are real gold, then I'm good. We'll do that in a video. I do make my own earrings a lot, and that's what I'll be showing you in the next video also. Well, in one of the videos. I thought these were really neat. Something completely different. Never seen them. Facebook bead hoven. Yeah, little clips. I can put them on anything, purses, keychain, Isn't that cute? You could even take these off of there and make a pair of earrings out of them. I like the black. Those are fun. I'm gonna enjoy these, putting them on things. My makeup bags, that one's pretty. What else did I keep? Oh yeah. Anything else? No. Oh yeah, these are like 4x4s. Little wood canvases. I can do one stroke, you can do pour painting, all kinds of cool things. The idea is definitely you can decorate them with things, make collages. Nice. Very, very nice to have. So that's awesome too. So I'm looking forward to this too. This one I'll do a video with the resin. And I'll do a video making these earrings, but with my gold, or you know. So everybody have a lovely day. I will catch you later. So everybody stay positive. Life is beautiful. Just look beyond the chaos. Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.